So let's start to make drawing with the line command in AutoCAD. Lines can be drawn in so many ways. You can either select the line tab from here, or either you can type the line command as line and press enter, or type the shortcut line equivalent as L and press enter. So let's start the line command by pressing the line command from here. So as soon as I press the line command, the corresponding command is automatically activated in the command line, and it also specifies some instruction that we need to follow. So let's click anywhere to specify the first point. Let me click here. As soon as we click the first point, the command instructs to specify the next point. So let me click anywhere over here. Then you can simply press enter or option and enter to close the command. So let's draw a rectangle using the line command. Let me place the command as L and enter. The length and breadth of rectangle should be 10 units and 5 units respectively. So let me specify the first point here. Then I will specify the length as 10 and press enter. Then I will specify, let me turn on the ortho mode. Then I will enter the breadth as 5. Then I will specify the breadth as 5, enter. The length again as 10, enter. Then either I can click 5 or an enter, or select option and close to turn the command off, or to build the complete rectangle. So this is one way of drawing the rectangle. Now let me show you the another way using Cartesian coordinate. So for this we need to bring UCS in the center. For now it's located right here. You can also use its command equivalent as zoom extend to bring the UCS here in the model space. You can also click zoom extend button to bring the UCS in your drawing area. So let's draw a rectangle using Cartesian coordinate method. The length and breadth of rectangle are same as the previous rectangle. So let's type the command equivalent as L, press enter, specify the first point as 0, 0 and press enter. Now since the length is 10, which means we have to go 10 units in x direction and 0 units in y direction. Press enter. This point, the Cartesian coordinate of this point should be 10 in x direction and 5 in y direction. So let's enter the Cartesian coordinate 10, 5 and enter. So here it is. Now we need to go in left y direction. So the coordinate of this point with respect to origin 0, 0 must be 0 in x direction and 5 in y direction, and press enter. So here it is, and the final coordinate is 0 in x direction and 0 in y direction. So here it is. This is another method of drawing rectangle using Cartesian coordinate method. There is also a third method. Now if you want to draw a rectangle using any other point except 0, 0 as starting point, then you cannot use Cartesian coordinate method. So let me just show you an example. For example, if you would like to draw a rectangle like this, then it's not possible to draw the rectangle using Cartesian coordinate method. So if you want to draw this type of rectangle, then you need to use the relative coordinate system, in which we use @ sign before the coordinates. Let us say you would like to make the same rectangle as this using the new method. Then select the line, click anywhere to specify the first point, and select the second point as @10, 0. So what basically happens is defines the relative coordinate system, and @10, 0 means with reference to the previous point, which is this point, make a line having 10 units in x direction and 0 units in y direction, which means this point. So now to make the breadth of 5 units, let's just click here and type @ you have to go 0 units in x axis and 5 units in y axis and press enter. So here it goes. Now to go in left forward direction, you need to type @ since we are going in left direction with respect to this point, so we need to type @-10 and 0 units in y direction, so type (0) and press enter. And with respect to this point, we need to go downward, so it means @0 units x direction and -5 units in y direction. Minus, please do notice, minus sign is used due to change in direction. Press enter and you can simply option and enter. So here it is. We have made rectangle using relative coordinate system as well. Also please note that drawing rectangle will be more easier if you have turned ortho mode. So snapping reference line, which is object snap tracking, and object snap on. We will talk about these toggles in the upcoming video lessons as well. Thank you for watching.